Think you can quickly solve this math problem? Give it a go. Throw your answer down here in the comments. Let's see if you get it right. When you see this, you might first say that 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 11 would give us a -4. With those parentheses there, we multiply now. 6 times -4 should give us a -24. But that would be incorrect. Let's try this again. Now, to solve this equation correctly, you have to understand the order of operations. We know this is PEMDAS. PEMDAS tells us that we first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, then adding and subtracting. Using this, we can get the right answer to this equation. So our first order of operation are parentheses, and we have that right here. So we're going to take 7 minus 11, and that's going to give us a -4. And we'll bring down the rest of this problem. Next, we are going to do the multiplication. There are no exponents, so we go straight to multiplication. -1 times -4. When we multiply two negative numbers, that's going to give us a positive number. So -1 times -4 is +4. We'll bring down the rest of that problem. You'll note that the minus sign here changes because we have a positive now. 7 plus 4 gives us 11. The answer to our equation today is 11. Check those links below. I got a math kit down there for you. You can purchase that. It'll be delivered straight to your house, and you can solve these problems right along with me.